Meta has just dropped a game changer in the world of AI, Llama 3.3. Imagine a model that's smaller, faster, and way more efficient, yet it delivers near top-tier performance. With 70 billion parameters and revolutionary cost savings, it's set to redefine how we use AI in everything from coding to VR. But here's the real kicker. Meta's blending AI with the future of VR and digital connectivity. What does this mean for developers, businesses, and even you? Let's start exploring what makes Llama 3.3 a powerhouse and why it might just shape the future of tech. Meta has introduced Llama 3.3, a groundbreaking update to its family of large language models. Despite using only 70 billion parameters compared to its predecessor's 405 billion, Llama 3.3 delivers nearly the same performance. This significant improvement in efficiency translates to lower costs, reduced GPU demands, and the capability to enhance a wide range of applications, from everyday AI tools to immersive VR experiences. Revolutionizing AI performance, Llama 3.3 is Meta's latest multilingual large language model. With 70 billion parameters, it might seem enormous, but it is far more efficient than its predecessors. It delivers performance close to Meta's earlier 405 billion parameter model, Llama 3.1. This efficiency is akin to having a sports car that matches the speed of its ultra-expensive counterpart while consuming less fuel and space. Mark Zuckerberg announced that Llama 3.3 is now the most widely adopted AI model globally, boasting over 650 million downloads. This popularity highlights its influence as developers build on Meta's open-source AI protocols. By offering these tools openly, Meta positions itself as a foundational force in AI development, ensuring long-term market influence. Expanding into VR and AI infrastructure, Meta isn't stopping at AI. It is heavily investing in VR tools to make them the industry standard, envisioning a future where AI and VR converge to shape the metaverse. Collaborations with third parties further embed Meta's tools into the future of digital interaction. The company is also expanding its infrastructure with plans for a new AI data center in Louisiana and an undersea cabling project to support its AI initiatives. With 600 million monthly active users for Meta AI alone, and over 3 billion users across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp, Meta is integrating AI into its ecosystem, offering features like AI image generation and digital assistance. However, questions remain about how meaningful these integrations are for users and whether AI can seamlessly fit into their daily lives. Technical breakthroughs of Llama 3.3. Llama 3.3 supports multiple languages including English, German, French, Italian, Portuguese, Hindi, Spanish, and Thai. It has been trained on 15 trillion tokens, a massive leap from Llama 2's 2 trillion. This increase in training data leads to better performance in reasoning, coding, problem solving, and trivia. One standout feature of Llama 3.3 is its ability to handle super long context windows of up to 128,000 tokens, the equivalent of a full book. This makes it highly capable of managing lengthy documents while maintaining context. Under the hood, Llama 3.3 employs grouped query attention, GQA, to enhance memory efficiency and speed during inference. This innovation significantly reduces GPU memory requirements, allowing developers to save on costs. While Llama 3.1 required nearly 2 terabytes of GPU memory for inference, Llama 3.3 can function with just tens of gigabytes, drastically cutting upfront and operational expenses. Cost effectiveness and accessibility. Meta claims Llama 3.3 offers exceptional cost savings for developers, generating text at just 1 cent per million tokens. This is far cheaper than other models like GPT-4 or Claude 3.5. Developers can reduce their GPU costs significantly, potentially saving hundreds of thousands of dollars, thanks to Llama 3.3's reduced memory footprint. For accessibility, Llama 3.3 is available through Meta's site, Hugging Face, GitHub, and other platforms. Developers can integrate it with tools like LangChain or fine-tune it using Meta's TorchTune library. It is compatible with major cloud providers such as AWS, GCP, and Azure, making it versatile for various applications including natural language understanding, coding assistance, and potential VR experiences. Safety and ethical use. While Llama 3.3 is mostly open source, Meta has implemented safeguards. Organizations with over 700 million monthly active users must acquire a commercial license. Additionally, users must credit Meta with statements like "built with Llama" and adhere to an acceptable use policy designed to prevent harmful activities such as content generation for cyber attacks or illegal purposes. Meta has emphasized safety through techniques like supervised fine-tuning, SFT, and reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF. Tools like LlamaGuard 3 and PromptGuard help prevent harmful outputs. Extensive red teaming exercises have been conducted to identify and mitigate potential risks, from child safety issues to cybersecurity threats. Environmental considerations training. Llama 3.3 required 39.3 million GPU hours on H180GB hardware, generating approximately 11,390 tons of CO2 equivalent emissions. Meta claims to have offset these emissions by using renewable energy, achieving net zero emissions for the training phase. By publicly sharing energy usage data, Meta encourages transparency about the environmental impact of large-scale AI models. Performance metrics. Llama 3.3 excels across a variety of benchmarks, often outperforming similarly sized models. On the MMLU benchmark, which tests general knowledge across multiple subjects, it achieves 86% accuracy. It scores 77% on math benchmarks and 88.4% on coding tasks. For multilingual reasoning tasks, it hits an impressive 91.1% on the MGSM benchmark. While it may not surpass top-tier models like GPT-4 in all areas, Llama 3.3 delivers competitive performance, especially given its cost efficiency and smaller size. A future powered by OpenAI and VR. Meta envisions Llama 3.3 as more than just an AI model. It sees it as a foundational block for the next stage of computing. By combining AI with VR advancements, such as wrist-based electromyography devices for controlling virtual objects, Meta aims to seamlessly integrate these technologies into future digital ecosystems. Developers have a unique opportunity to shape how Llama 3.3 is used, whether for creating helpful tools or building innovative applications. Meta's guidelines and tools, like PromptGuard and CodeShield, ensure responsible use while fostering innovation. Llama 3.3 represents a significant leap forward in AI efficiency, accessibility, and safety. By combining powerful performance with cost-effectiveness, it opens up new possibilities for developers and researchers. As Meta integrates this technology into its broader ecosystem, including VR and digital infrastructure, it sets the stage for a transformative era in AI and digital interaction. The question remains, will Llama 3.3 become the gold standard for AI models? Or will it face challenges as competitors evolve? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: Meta is positioning itself at the forefront of AI and VR innovation.